Hello students, today again we are here with your chapter number 2 acid bases and salts. Today it's your worksheet number 15 dated 7th of August 2020. It's of science class 10th and on acid bases and salts. Let's see what is there in the worksheet. It's about another salt. Last time we had discussed about the chemicals we receive, chemicals which are prepared from NaCl. Now we are having the concept of another salt, that is POP, or plaster of Paris. Here look at this. This is the full form of POP. ये full form है POP की, plaster of Paris. Its chemical formula is calcium sulfate hemihydrate. Hemi means half. Hemihydrate. Hydrate means water. Hemi, half. So this is calcium and this is SO4 is sulfate. Calcium sulfate dot hem dot half molecule of water. Half molecule means hemihydrate. So it is the chemical formula of POP. It is obtained by heating gypsum. Gypsum is the chemical जिसका फॉर्मूला है calcium sulfate dot 2 molecules of water. Calcium sulfate with 2 molecules of water. It is heated at about 373 Kelvin. 373 Kelvin is equal to 100 degree Celsius. It is equal to 100 degree Celsius. Okay, so gypsum is heated to this temperature 100 degrees Celsius. At this temperature the molecules of water are evaporated and gypsum turns into plaster of Paris. अब आपको पता है when we heat any water it gets evaporated. Okay, so when gypsum is heated, the water molecules present in it, these are the water molecules present in gypsum, 2 molecules of water, they get evaporated and it turns into POP. So how many molecules of water are being evaporated? As we know that 1.5 plus half, so half is left. It means 1.5 molecule of water are evaporated. Now what are the properties of POP? POP is a white powder. It is a white colored powder. Mixing of water into the powder of POP changes it into gypsum and it is exothermic reaction. Exothermic means exo means out, exit से बना है word out, and thermic is made up of thermal. Thermal means heat, in which heat is released outside. So when water is being mixed into POP, ये देखिए POP यानी प्लास्टर ऑफ पेरिस में जब हम वाटर ऐड करते हैं 1.5 मॉलिक्यूल लॉस हुआ था, वही मॉलिक्यूल हमने यहाँ पर डाल दिया है, तो उसके बाद दोबारा से हमारे पास क्या बन जाता है, जिप्सम. So it is a reversible process, like, and it is an exothermic reaction. It is very important reaction and it is exothermic. Okay, so we come to our next slide, in which there are some uses of plaster of Paris. Plaster of Paris is used in medical treatment. Medical treatment, it is used to cover as plaster in case of fractured bones. As we know, when I have seen somebody has got fractured in his arm, leg, or any other body part like bones, and 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 it comes as he has to be it has to be covered with POP. It serves as plaster in case of fractured bones. It is used in making beautiful and designer false ceiling and other room interiors. It is used in making toys and other decorative materials. It is used in casting into clay molds. We'll see images of all these things. As we know, this is the fractured bone, and we see how to cover the fractured bones with the plaster in case of medical treatment. This is a case of any molds like clay molds जो बताया था अभी पीछे, and in case of any sculptures and pots. Okay, so these are the idols made up of pop only, and these are the false ceiling and decorative walls in the houses जो हम घर में कराते हैं डेकोरेशन के लिए. बेसिकली पीओपी लगवाते हैं अपनी छतों पर. तो बेसिकली ये सब क्या है, इसके यूजेस हैं. these all are the uses of POP. Now, what about the crystals having water of crystallization? As we know that we have learned washing soda. Washing soda had how many molecules of water? It had 10 molecules of water. So, what do you mean by 10 molecules of water are being attached? How they can be attached? What type of these salts are? ये कैसे salts हैं? क्या इन सॉल्ट्स को हम ड्राई कह सकते हैं या नहीं कह सकते? सॉल्ट्स हमेशा हमने देखे हैं कि वो कैसे होते हैं, ड्राई होते हैं. बट दीज सॉल्ट्स आर हैविंग व्हाट? मॉलिक्यूल्स ऑफ वाटर. सो क्या हम इन सॉल्ट्स को ड्राई कह सकते हैं या नहीं कह सकते? दिस इज द वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन. द क्रिस्टल्स ऑफ सॉल्ट्स अपीयर ड्राई. वो हमेशा हमें लगते हैं ड्राई, बट मैनी सॉल्ट, लेकिन कई सॉल्ट्स कंटेन सम वाटर मॉलिक्यूल्स इन इट. कुछ वाटर मॉलिक्यूल्स होते हैं, जैसे मैंने आपको बताया अभी वॉशिंग सोडा के अंदर होता था. द फिक्स नंबर ऑफ वाटर मॉलिक्यूल्स इन वन फॉर्मूला यूनिट ऑफ अ सॉल्ट इज नोन एज वाटर ऑफ क्रिस्टलाइजेशन. यानी कि जितने फिक्स नंबर ऑफ वाटर मॉलिक्यूल्स होते हैं किसी भी एक सॉल्ट के 1 यूनिट में, नंबर ऑफ वाटर मॉलिक्यूल्स इन 1 यूनिट, कितने वाटर मॉलिक्यूल्स एक 1 यूनिट में हैं एक सॉल्ट के, दिस इज कॉल्ड एज इट्स वाटर ऑफ क्रिस्टलाइजेशन. इट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन बेटा. दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन. you have to learn it thoroughly. Okay, so salts that contain water molecules are known as hydrated salts. Hydrated means hydration. Hydration means water. So ऐसे salt जिसके अंदर पानी होता है या water molecules होते हैं, they are called as hydrated salts. For example, सबसे बड़ा example है, you are having copper sulfate. Okay, copper sulfate के जो crystals होते हैं they are blue in color because it contains 5 molecules of water. Its formula is copper sulfate dot 5 molecules of water. So these attributes, these 5 molecules are responsible for its blue color. Look at the blue color at the base. This blue color, exactly this color is of copper sulfate. Okay, यही कलर होता है कॉपर सल्फेट के मॉलिक्यूल्स का बिकॉज दे आर हैविंग 5 molecules ऑफ वाटर इन देम. दिस इज द कॉज दैट केमिकल फॉर्मूला ऑफ कॉपर सल्फेट इज दिस वन as we have written. Okay, when crystals of copper sulfate are heated, जब उसके crystals को heat किया जाता है, it loses its water molecules. वो अपने water molecules lose कर देता है because they get evaporated. जब पानी को हम heat करेंगे it will get evaporated. Definitely if the salt is having water molecules and when we will heat it, it will lose or its water molecules or it will get evaporated. Its water molecules get evaporated. So कॉपर सल्फेट को जब हम हीट करते हैं तो उसके वाटर मॉलिक्यूल्स जो ये 5 molecules ऑफ वाटर हैं दे गेट इवेपोरेटेड. ये इवेपोरेट हो जाते हैं एंड इट्स कलर बिकम्स वाइट फ्रॉम ब्लू टू वाइट. सो लुक एट हियर, कॉपर सल्फेट हैविंग 5 molecules ऑफ वाटर प्लस हाफ molecule ऑफ वाटर. थोड़ा सा पानी मिलाते हैं इसको तो क्योंकि लिक्विड मीडियम में करना पड़ता है. इसको जब हीट किया जाता है इट लूजेस इट्स molecules ऑफ वाटर and becomes white. But when water is added to anhydrous copper sulfate, लेकिन अगर हम इस वाले कॉपर सल्फेट को एनहाइड्रस बोलते हैं, एनहाइड्रस मतलब जिसमें हाइड्रस एन लगा हुआ है, हाइड्रेशन के आगे, हाइड्रस के आगे एन लगा हुआ है, एन का मतलब उसके अंदर वाटर मॉलिक्यूल्स नहीं है, ओके, उसमें वाटर मॉलिक्यूल्स नहीं है। एनहाइड्रस कॉपर सल्फेट के अंदर, जैसे कि ये है जिसके अंदर ये वाला देखिए, इसके अंदर कोई भी वाटर मॉलिक्यूल नहीं है। इस व्हेन water is added to this type of copper sulfate, it is white in color, it will regain its blue color, उसका blue color वापस आ जाता है। okay, so we'll look at the another slide। okay, look at this slide, it is the color of copper sulfate having 5 molecules of water, but it turns into this white color when it gets anhydrous after heating। जब उसको हम हीट करते हैं, दिस इज अ सिंबल ऑफ हीट एज आई टोल्ड यू अर्लियर, जब उसको हीट करते हैं तो उसके वाटर मॉलिक्यूल्स लूज हो जाते हैं, इट बिकम्स वाइट इन कलर। अगेन इफ वी ऐड वाटर टू इट, इट विल रीगेन इट्स ब्लू कलर, दोबारा से वो ब्लू कलर अपना ले लेता है। अगेन यहाँ पर भी यही शो किया हुआ है, वाइट कलर का था, दैट इज एनहाइड्रस था, जिसके अंदर हमने पानी डाला तो वो दोबारा से कौन सा कलर हो गया, ब्लू कलर। ओके, नाउ many type of salts are being there. Copper sulfate, its color is blue and its formula is copper sulfate 5 molecules of water. Here is another salt, that is ferrous sulfate, it is green in color and its formula is ferrous sulfate dot 7 molecules of water, इसमें 7 molecules हैं वाटर के अटैच हुए हुए। नाउ सोडियम कार्बोनेट, जिसको हमने वॉशिंग सोडा बोला था पिछले स्लाइड में, हमने पिछली वर्कशीट में किया था, its color is white only, it contains 10 molecules of water. now gypsum, जो हमने पढ़ा था अभी पीओपी के टाइम पर, पीओपी के अंदर उसके अंदर 2 molecules of water होते हैं, its color is also white. we will see ferrous sulfate, this is ferrous sulfate, okay beta, this is green in color. now we will answer these questions. What is the full form of POP? Write its 3 uses also. So now we know that what is POP. It is plaster of Paris. Look at the slide number 1. We'll look at our previous slides for the answer. This is POP. This is POP. Plaster of Paris, and its uses are on hair. Okay, so medical treatment, beautiful designs of false ceiling, room interiors, toys और decorative material बनाने के लिए, and clay molds बनाने के लिए, etc. okay, and another question is, define the term water of crystallization, give with one example. As I've told you, number of water molecules attached to any one unit of salt is the water of crystallization. Look at here it is the answer. The fixed number of water molecules in one formula unit of salt is called as water of crystallization, and you can give copper sulfate as the example. Okay, copper sulfate is the example. Now the next question is, how the plaster of Paris is obtained from gypsum. For this I have brought you another slide. This is gypsum. When it is heated to 100 degrees Celsius, or you can say 373 Kelvin, plaster of Paris is obtained. Look, half plus 3 by 2. Okay, it is also called as 1 by 1.5. okay, मिक्स फ्रैक्शंस में हम इसको देखेंगे 1.5 ही कहते हैं इसको 3/2 को. ओके, सो व्हेन वी ऐड विल गेट 2 molecules ऑफ वाटर ओनली. ओके, सो कैल्शियम सल्फेट में से हाफ मॉलिक्यूल रह जाता है और बाकी का वाटर मॉलिक्यूल क्या हो जाता है, इवेपोरेट हो जाता है ये. ओके, तो ये फ्रैक्चर्ड बोन्स को बनाने में, उसको फ्रैक्चर प्लास्टर्स लगाने के काम आता है. वी नो दैट. नाउ द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज what happens when crystalline copper sulfate is heated? Write the color of new substance formed. When it is heated, you know very well, when crystalline copper sulfate is heated, it becomes white in color. It loses the water molecules in it. It loses all the water molecules in it. Here it is the answer. When crystals, this is the answer. When crystals of copper sulfate are heated, it loses its water molecules and its colors becomes white. This is a reaction you have to write along with it. And when water is added to anhydrous copper sulfate, it exposes to moisture present in the air and it turns blue in color again. Okay, so this was the answer of question number 4. And now the last question is, here was also written what is the color of new substance formed. It is white, obviously. Anhydrous copper sulfate it is. And write the name and formula of any 3 hydrated salts. It is also given in the worksheet itself. Look at the worksheet beta carefully. All the answers being given here. These are the 4 hydrated salt with their names given, and this is the answer of your question number 5. Okay, so this was the today's worksheet. We'll discuss another when another will come. Okay, thanks. Till then, stay safe and keep smiling.